Thinking about making the transition to the Dubsado Scheduler? Watch this video for my 3-step breakdown. If we haven't met, my name is Rhonda Melody, and I am a systems strategist and creator of Roadmap to Revenue, a system to streamline, automate, and organize your business so you are working smarter and not harder. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I publish a new video every Tuesday. So today I'm going to share with you 3 steps to help you make the transition to the Dubsado Scheduler. Step number 1. If you are using Calendly, you're going to feel right at home. The design of the Dubsado Scheduler feels and looks like Calendly. So when you're setting up your schedule, you're going to want to create a schedule for different situations. For example, discovery calls, client setup calls, intensives, these are all going to be separate schedules. Once set up, add these links to your Trello home base for quick and easy access. Step number 2, canned emails. You're going to want to have a few canned emails prepared to help make setup quick and easy. For example, the initial scheduling email, confirmation, reminder, and cancellation canned email responses. I recommend sitting down and batching them so you can quickly add them to your Dubsado dashboard. Step number 3, and this is important, test your links. I always test links that I'm sending to clients. I want to be able to see exactly what my user is seeing. This quick check ensures a professional presentation. So there you have it, my 3 steps for setting up the Dubsado Scheduler. I highly recommend Dubsado, and their customer support is amazing. It is like having a team support you and your business for only $35 a month. If you need help in organizing your business, make sure to click the link in my description to use my system to literally put your business at your fingertips. And while you're there, join a community of women just like you. I have a private Facebook group, Strategy by Design, where I share free workshops and guest experts to help you build an irresistible and profitable online presence. Now show me some love and comment below how you are using the Dubsado Scheduler in your business.